Guys, this one is an unboxing of the dual adjustable quick release buckles, which is basically to replace the broken buckles on here. I will show you in a close-up shot what I'm talking about. So it's a dual side adjustable quick release. So I'll demonstrate on a closer up shot, guys. So I'm going to lay these out. So these are the ones that I wanted from Osprey, but obviously they didn't give it to me. So I'm going to lay these out there, and I'll grab the other ones. So these ones are 25mm. So the history that I had was this buckle here is broken, and I'll show you. This bit here is broken, okay, and that's a dual side which is there, okay. That's the original one, and then the ones that they sent me are these ones here, which are 20mm. Sorry. That one's the Osprey. These ones are generic ones. They don't fit here. Okay, I'll do a close-up shot of that, and I'll put them in order. That one's the broken one. This one here is the broken one. That one's another one. Wonder what that was. And this one is the 25mm, which is basically only one side. So one side will be sewn on, and that one will be the adjustable one. But you can't tighten each side up. But I'll show you that on a close up. Okay, I'll place the camera here. So basically, you'll see my hands move this way. It'll be upside down. It'll be a bit obscure. And this one is from Osprey in the same situation, and this one is the broken one, which is there. Okay, I'll switch you round, guys. Okay, catch you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So this is going to be back to front. It's a lot easier for the camera. So basically this is the clip that is broken. Okay, so I didn't measure that. I thought it was 20mm, but the measurement from here to here is 20. Make sure that audio jacks in. This one is 25mm. I've measured it. Okay, I'll show you. Okay, if I show you the strap. So what they did, okay, this is the strap itself. That's the strap I want. This is 25mm in length. Obviously this is the clip they sent me. That's not going to fit in there, as you can see there. The same as this one here, and these came free. Okay, okay, so they will fit on this pack. They will fit. Which strap will it fit? That one, I think. But the problem is, this type of strap is this one. That's the one. That's the buckle basically that they've replaced, and you'll have to have that sewn in. Okay, that's not it. The same as this one here and this one here. If I get that little baggie and just get rid of those. So I measured it, okay, and I emailed Osprey, and this clip here is from Osprey. Okay, they were going to charge me £10 to send that to me. Okay, so in the field, which you will see on a previous video or another video, this feeds in here, Okay. That the right one? Yeah, this feeds in here like so. Okay. And that one goes in there. Okay. Right. So that's fine. That's going to lock in. Okay. But the problem with the other side, okay, there's nothing to lock it in. So that makes this clip redundant. Okay. So I had to research basically on Google the replacement. So if you look at the original, which is the broken one, so this is the original, you have two bits there which bite down to the clip to stop them from moving. So the clip that they sent me, that's the original one, this is redundant because you don't have the other side there. Okay. So that's the clip that's broken, as you can see in comparison. This bit here, it bites down to stop the strap from undoing. So that would be a sewn in bit, and that would be obviously to bite down, which is going to be similar to these buckles here, guys, you know what I mean? And same as the chest strap. So as you can see, that's sewn in, which is there, and then obviously that this side will be sewn in to there. So basically these are made redundant. Okay, so let's get rid of these clips. And I went on Osprey, and they don't sell double clips. Okay, so on Amazon, again with these ones, these are redundant as well. Get rid of those. So these are the clips that I got from Amazon. Okay, so I got two of these for £4, I think. Okay, let's put that on the strap itself. Let's make sure you're in shots before I start filming even more. Let's make sure I am working this end. Okay, so let's start from this side. Okay, we do one side at a time. So we're just going to feed this one through and back, and that's going to bite down. And then this one, the same on the other side. If I can get that in. It was easy the other side, wasn't it? And then this side here. Here. So let's see if it works. I'm going to change the angle of the camera, guys. Okay. This one's a spare clip. Okay. I'm going to put that in my, where am I going to put that? I don't think that'll break in the field, I don't think. I could put that in here. So that's my accessories. That can be packed away in the cupboard. So catch you in a bit, guys. Welcome back, guys. So, right, let's test this product out, see if it's right. So the whole purpose, when I'm hiking, I just undo the clips. Okay, so when I'm hiking, I'll be pulling them down. This is basically, and then pull these down. And then when I'm hiking, this pack's not going to be moving around. basically when you're walking, you don't want this, and also so you've got your sternum strap as well, just to avoid this, take the weight away from your shoulders. It does help a lot because it impinges the shoulders. So basically I needed to replace, I put it on the right way? No. So if I just refeed that through, the right way, which is through there. I've already done the close up of how to do it anyway. And then there's a little tuck away, which is here. You just tuck that in there. Just it keeps the straps nice and tidy. Make sure that's around the right way. Again, we've got a little strap here that keeps it nice and tidy to stop it from flapping around too much. Okay. If I just put that in there, someone's having a barbecue outside, I don't know. So it's taking a bit longer, so it's a slight elasticated. The other one's so easy to do. That's it, get in there, bugger. So what I'm doing at the moment, I'm just cleaning my gaiters. I've just done 2 loads of washing. My next job is to do my boots, but I want to do this while I've still got light because I want to see what the camera can pick outside. The Samsung S10 is not very good, so I'll just pause it a little bit, guys, so bear with me. Right guys, so I'm filming on 2 cameras at the moment, so right, so this bit here, let's feed the strap through. So I'm filming on 2 cameras at the moment. So I've got one camera filming how I'm doing the shot, and obviously the main camera which is here. I'm going to do a separate one as well, basically to demonstrate how to do it. It will help someone. I had to figure it out myself. Anyway, let's get that strap in. Oh, it's so difficult, mate. So fiddly. It's alright on my right, but on my left is a son of a bitch. Let's take that off. If I do the strap, this one, and if I just feed that through, I think I'm stressing myself out for no reason, and then I just feed that through there. I want to show you, mate. Let me show you. Here, it's a good light. If I do it that way, so I'm just feeding it through that strap, which is there, and it's a bit of a pain. It's just a pain in the ass. That's what it is. Come on, get in there, you bastard. Thing is, I want to go to bed. I'm really tired as well, but I wanted to film this, and I wanted to. Yeah, there you go. It's in there. Ready? Yeah. Right, let's put the pack on. Bear with me. I knocked the audio out, guys, so Right, so let's put this pack on again, undo the straps. I got there in the end because I'm going to Dartmoor. I'm doing a lot of hiking. I want to know why the hydration bladder clips on the outside. That's annoying. That's it. That's weird. Why is that unzipped? For some reason the inside zip's unhooked. I don't know why. I wonder why it does that. That's weird. So for some reason that's unzipped and I don't know why. That's weird. There's a little clip in there for the hydration bladder to hold it into place. But for some reason the zip inside is undone. There you go. That's weird. I wonder what that's for. Is that for the hose? No, the hose comes out. The hose comes out of this bit here. I wonder what that's for. I wonder why that's like that. It's weird. Let's zip that up. And then that's weird. How do you zip that up then? That's very weird, mate. Let's use two hands, so I don't want to damage the zip. That's weird. Maybe it's just come undone over time. That's it. That's it. I'm sort of using two hands to zip the inside. Right. So this is the Osprey Hikelite 26. I've had this for many years. So what you do, put your hip belt on. And then put that there. And then obviously that goes there. The problem with these strap things, and then you just cinch that down, and that way. Is that around the wrong way again? No. So I sort of pull this side and this side, and then we got the strap here, and we cinch these ones down. And then, sorry about the gut. And then just to protect the shoulders, sternum strap goes across like so. Okay, so what I tend to do with my hip belt, I'll show you, when I'm hiking, this hat is my hiking hat, which I can't do with this one. So when you're hiking, you're obviously going to be sweating, so this is a great hat. So I'll just unclip my belt, put that in there, and just leave that hanging, so basically it will dry off. Okay, normally I've got my GoPro there, so I don't want it in the way, and I don't want to lose my hat, do you know what I mean? So when I'm getting hot, I don't have to stop. And when it dries, just put this back on, and then when it's wet again, just hook that back on again. And I know that's not going anywhere. Okay, especially when you're hiking, you want it to dry off. I'll do an outro while sitting down. place this on here and change the angle of the camera. I'll show you the buckle again. So I'll change the angle of the camera. See you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. So I'll show you the buckle again. So there's the buckle, a close-up shot. So as you can see on here, it's a bit fiddly. Just got to make sure these little straps are away, and then you just pull. I tend to sort of pull one side and then pull the other side, and they're not going to come undone. Okay. Or what you can do if they're annoying you, but I wouldn't recommend it. If you're annoying you, then you can just store the straps away. Like, I think what I'll do when I'm not using it, because that's what probably caused the problem in the first place, on the original one, I think that one caught, so I'm going to keep that attached when I'm not using it, and that'll probably prevent it from getting damaged in the future. So a little tip, when you're not using the pack, please just attach these together. So if I just show you here, keep these together, because when that's open like that, that's got a risk of getting damaged. All right. So this is the Osprey pack, a really good pack. I've had it years, mate. All right, I'm going to change the angle of the camera again. This is all experimenting. See you in a bit. Welcome back, guys. That's the outro. So after like buying, if there's a little conclusion, after buying these clips here, which is the same size as these clips here, which is 20 millimeters. So these are only for here, and this side is only to be sewn in, and that's obviously the one that tightens down like so, which lets the strap bite basically. When you're storing your clips, please keep them closed, as I showed you here. Close the belt, just to protect the belt, you know what I mean? Because that's what happened with the original one, which is not here. Where's it gone? Yeah, so the original one is broken because I didn't store it closed. All right, learn from my mistake. Osprey, thank you very much, but unfortunately that's a nice clip. I just like the way the clips are, mate, but this clip will do, you know what I mean? It seems quite strong. I've got two of them, which is this one. Yeah, which is this one here, which is 22. See, for this particular one, make sure you measure the webbing, okay, the width, before you even start ordering, okay? Osprey has like supported me. It's just I asked for the wrong product. It would have been nice to have the original one, and I'll tell you what, I might ask him again to say, I'm really sorry, it's not the right buckle. I'll send him basically, I would like to get the original one, so I might send him another email today actually, and just say thank you very much for your help and support, but it's I'll send him a picture of this one. I'll send him a picture and say this is the type of buckle that I want. So I want the original. Obviously it would be nice to have the original, because these buckles are quite nice. I just like aesthetically they're quite nice, but I'm going to see if I could get the actual original, but we'll see what happens, mate. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.